Hey guys, my Legos Forever y'all, and I have Kayla and Lauren over here. I just turned the light on. Oh. I have Kayla and Lauren, and I'm gonna be doing Kayla's OOTD because her outfit is so cute. Sorry about the mid-morning lighting. It's 10:30 right now, so there she is. And here's what she's wearing. It has a strawberry right here, and it says Sweetie. And it has strawberries on the feet. Okay. It has little pockets. And it's just this cute little sleeper outfit that I put on her. Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Comment, subscribe. Yeah. Thank you. Bye. Oh, and it's just me, Jade, because Olivia's coming back tomorrow. So thanks for watching.